Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sister. So this is Nurulum. Welcome back to my channel English Habit. So today's topic is uh, important, uh, very important, because uh, every learner uh, face this problem. Okay, so let's get start our topic. So I will share uh, why is speaking English difficult. Okay, why is speaking English difficult? It's a common question every learner. So uh, I tell some uh, tricks. Okay, so let's go. So first time, fear of making mistake. First time every beginner learner uh, fear. Okay, so that's why uh, he cannot speak. Okay, and first time, many people think, what if I make mistake? So that's why uh, they stopping. Okay, but first time just practice and start your journey, because first time when I start my English learning journey, when I cannot make sentence and cannot speak English, and I cannot I could not make video in front of camera, but every day I practice, so that's why I am here. Okay, so it is a very common problem every beginner learner. Okay, and second is very important, not enough practice. That is a big problem every learner. Okay, not enough practice first time. Sometimes practice, but some after some days uh, all everything stop, so that's why he cannot speak. Okay, second thing, not uh, enough not enough practice, right? And second thing, translating everything. So every beginner learner first time thinking Bengali or Hindi. Okay, so that's why uh, he cannot speak, but uh, every day thinking always English. Okay, like all everything working, uh, thinking English. If you are a job holder, so that's why your all everything, your colleague and your boss and your employee, all everything try thinking English. Okay, like this is our room. Okay, and here a window. Okay, just thinking, right? And fourth thing is very important, small vocabulary. If you are a beginner learner and you know just a small vocabulary, so if you cannot also speak English. Okay, so every day practice English, and every day 5 or 10 new vocabulary learning every day. Okay, and five thing, uh, lack of confidence. It is a crucial uh, topic because first time uh, like me, first time I cannot speak, only just lack of confidence, but every day I practice English speaking and every day make video in front of camera, so that's why day by day improve my confidence. So if you are a beginner learner, you can every day practice and your confidence day by day improve, I believe it. Okay, so I hope 5 things uh, you learn something this video. So if you are a beginner learner, every day practice uh, okay, your day by day growth. Okay, so I hope inshallah this video helpful you. So thank you so much everyone. Next see you soon, and next video see you soon. So tata, bye bye, Allah hafiz, assalamu alaikum.